Welcome once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Looking at the board, we have a quadratic equation which we are to solve. So let us peruse. Now, looking at the question, what we are going to do is we are going to use this 2 to multiply -6 and it will give us -12. And we are going to look for two numbers that when we multiply them, both will give us -12. And when we sum them, it will give us -1. If we look critically, you will agree with me that -4 multiplied by 3 will give us -12. -4 plus 3 will give us -1. So this suits this problem. So we are going to rewrite 4x plus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. So looking at this part, the greatest common factor is 2x. So we'll bring it out, 2x into x. This multiply this will give this. Then here, we know that 2x multiplied by 2 will give us this. 2x multiplied by -2 will give us this. So here will be -2 plus 3 into x. Now, 3 multiply -2 will get back this -6. So this is what we are going to have. All of this is equal to 0. So now we are going to take these two numbers. We are going to take it 2x plus 3 in bracket. These two, they are the same, so we take one of it. X minus 2 equal to 0. So now we are going to equate each of the brackets. So we have it as 2x plus 3 equal to 0. And we have it at x minus 2 equal to 0. At this point, we agree with me that this will now become 2x equal to -3, and here will be x equal to 2. So to get this, the x on this part, it will now be divide both sides by 2. So therefore, x will be equal to -3 all over 2. So the two answers for x will be x equal to -3 over 2 and x equal to 2. So this will be our final answer. Thank you for watching. Do well to follow the page. Bye bye.